Today, we're breaking down how to determine your tractor's cab type. Because let's face it, if you've ever found yourself Googling, what's the difference between a 6010 and a 6020 cab at 11 p.m., this is the one for you.
The differences between this picture and this picture.
Starting with the 6000 series cab, the OG. Simple, solid, no frills. You'll spot a single-piece side window and a square-edged trim inside. Think of it like a Nokia 3310 of cabs, built to last and dead easy to use.
It is still working!
Next up, the 6010 series. Very similar to the 6000, but with a bit of a facelift. Like someone had a midlife crisis and added cup holders. Look for a reshaped roofline and upgraded aircon panel inside.
They're all black.
Then there's the 6020 series. This one brought in even more creature comforts. Better noise insulation, curved side glass, and a more premium interior. It's the cab equivalent of heated seats and mood lighting. Let's go old school, the Duncan Cab. These were dealer fitted and pretty boxy. If it looks like it was bolted on by a mate with a toolbox and a sandwich, it's probably a Duncan. LPU stands for low profile unit, built for getting under trees, sheds, or the boss's radar. Very squat looking, aimed at stockmen for entry into low buildings. The MC1 Cab was a comfort upgrade. A bit more room, more soundproofing, and often came with a sunroof. If you've got extra headspace and a suspiciously nice seat, this could be you.
That's a good shoe shot.
OPU means Operator Protection Unit. Sounds fancy, right? These came straight from the John Deere factory and have reinforced safety features. If yours feels sturdier than a bank vault, it might be an OPU. CC stands for console change. You'll spot it by the gear levers mounted up on the right-hand side. If your gear stick's looking a bit like an aircraft throttle, you're probably in a CC2.
Number 1, take us to a safe distance, please.
And finally, the Super Duncan. Think of it as the Duncan Cab's posh cousin. More refined inside, better finish, and still rare. You'll know it when you see it, or you won't, and we'll help. So there you go. 8 different cabs and about 1 million ways to misidentify them. Got questions? Send us a photo and we'll decode it for you. We are the Tractor Whisperers, and yes, we've spent too long staring at roof lines.